Hi, Dr. John Mullen, Doctor of Physical Therapy, owner of Core and Mullen Physical Therapy. This week's Swimming World Dryland tip is the suitcase walk. The suitcase walk is a depressive exercise to help an athlete or swimmer learn how to depress their shoulder blade and prevent any elevation of the scapula, specifically the humerus, which is the upper arm, into the rotator cuff muscles and impinging on the subacromial space. It's without doubt the shoulders are the most injured body part in swimmers, and it's obvious why due to the volume and biomechanical aspects that can influence and put you at more risk of shoulder stress. So this exercise is going to work on helping a swimmer learn how to hold a maximal weight and depress their shoulder, allowing more subacromial space for movement of their shoulder. If we look at our shoulder, we have our humerus here, which I'm going to demonstrate as this fist. We have our rotator cuff muscles, which surround the humerus. When swimmers fatigue, their deltoids and pectoralis muscles actually will try and elevate that area of the humerus and elevate the whole arm up, impinging on underneath the chromium, what they call the subacromial space, where there can be some excessive rubbing from the chromium, which is just a bone or part of the scapula in the back, impinging and causing more stress on the rotator cuff tendons. So as a coach, as anyone involved with swimmers, need to teach these athletes and swimmers how to depress their shoulder blade properly, hopefully strengthen those areas and prevent any excessive rubbing and increased stress. So this week's exercise, like I said, is a suitcase walk, and all you're going to be doing is grabbing about as heavy as weight as you can lift, and you're just going to be walking back and forth, or even just standing with that weight in your hand, trying to hold your shoulder blade down and back. So what I'm using here is just a kettlebell as an example. I'm just holding the weight, having my shoulder down and back, and I can walk down and back, trying to hold that shoulder down and back, not let it elevate here. You want to actually relax and allow the rotator cuff muscles to hopefully stabilize the humerus within the joint. Once again, this exercise is the suitcase walk.